Hey traders, a quick one here on net gas, gold, silver, crude oil, starting with natural gas. Now, what do we have right here? But let me show you what we are getting here on a daily time frame. That was mentioned this week as well. Now, if you look at on daily time frame, the price has formed here on Owanda on my platform. The price has formed a double bottom pattern here at the neckline. Now, that is itself a bullish signal for a long-term traders, but it is something we are getting here on a daily time frame. In that case, what I do, I keep my stop loss below this pattern right here and take profit. You can go 1-to-1 or you can go till the recent highs, something like this. It is something with the long-term traders, but if you are trading on a smaller time frame, we are also getting a possible bullish pattern. So on a daily time frame, we are getting a bullish pattern at the neck of the double bottom pattern, but on 4 hour, we are getting a possible head and shoulder pattern here on Owanda. You still need to hit the zone before it forms a right shoulder, but let's see, we have a confirmed head and shoulder pattern here on capital.com, which I've already mentioned yesterday. So we also have a bullish pattern here on capital.com. If you are looking here on a daily time frame, right here, a bullish engulfing pattern that happened at the support area. Again, the stop loss and take profit I've just mentioned. Now here we are inside the rejection and termination zone. All I want to see another pullback. Now, no need to get panicked if we have a big and deep pullback. It will be a good and another buy signal. So for now, I'm just looking for a possible retracement right here, followed by bullish engulfer. If we have that, that will be a good entry condition, and I will go long from here. After we have a completion of head and shoulder pattern, I'll keep my stop loss below and take profit. I will go 1-to-1, and or you can manage it till the recent resistance. So for now, just look for a rejection here and then a possible bullish condition like bullish engulfer 3-2 candle. Now, for the next buy trade, it is very important for me the price break above this high and then a pullback and then a pullback entry bullish. That is simply I'll be looking at if there is no head and shoulder pattern. So everything is same, just be patient, look for the price to form and give you some sort of pattern. Once we have that, we are good to go long for our trade. We're soon getting a bearish bullish cross as well, 20 EMA crossing 50 EMA. That is also a good sign that the price is now going to push higher from here. Looking at the odds at a daily time frame, 4-hour time frame, this pattern, it is a signal that price will continue to push higher to the next level of resistance. But for me, for entries, of course, I look for an entry pattern which I've just mentioned. Now coming here on NEMEX. Now here on NEMEX, there are two conditions. Now one I've already mentioned that rejection zone for the possible double bottom pattern without a candle to close below this low, or a break above 50 EMA. In that case, we're gonna go long. The rollover is still a couple of days ahead, and let's see how the price action reacts from here. Once the price reacts from here, it might adjust. The rollover might adjust the price here as well. But for now, for condition here on futures platform, just a bullish engulfers or a bearish engulfer below 50 EMA for the sell trade till here, double bottom, and then we're going to go long, only looking for conditions. That's all. Overall, we are still bullish. Neckline has been retested and now expecting a price to push higher. So just look for entry conditions. I'll mention the level of resistance for all three platforms once we start to see a breakout here after the termination zone. I still need to redo the zones right up there, and I'll update you guys accordingly as well. Next up, we have gold. Gold is now in a process of a retracement, a pullback. Now, two conditions, like I mentioned yesterday, we already have a Fibonacci retracement set right here. I'm still looking at 50% retracement and then a push back up for aggressive traders with a buy limit order. Or if we have a very next candle turns out to be a bullish engulfer like this, I'm going to go long using 1 ATR for my target. So that is why I'll be looking at less aggressive entry will be bullish engulfer. Aggressive entry will be 50% retracement and then a buy limit order. A very good entry will be a good retracement above 50 EMA followed by bullish engulfing pattern. That will be a good entry, and I will go with a better reward risk ratio if you have a good and big retracement. Looking at silver as well, price is nicely pushing down from a level of resistance, forming an evening star pattern right here. I've already made a video how to identify morning stars, evening stars. It's in my playlist. Feel free to check that out. Nicely pushed down. If you look here, we had a good pullback. Now, I've mentioned yesterday that doesn't mean the price will reverse from here. Now, that could be a very deep pullback in an uptrend. We are still in an uptrend. Now, in an uptrend, if we have a next candle bullish engulfer, I will go long, wait for the price to form a double top pattern if we have that. If not, the price can still go to 50 EMA with a deep pullback from a bullish engulfing pattern, and I will go long from here. So that is what I'll be looking at for silver. Let's say we entered this trade right at the close. You're gone just 1 ATR above, let's say 60 cents. which is a decent move out of silver. And if you look here, that 1.4 to 1 reward to risk ratio as the target has been hit. Now either you exit, or if you want to manage your trades, totally up to you. Manage till 50 EMA and then look for the bullish condition from here. So that is all I'll be looking at for next buy trade, either the bullish engulfing pattern above 50 EMA or a break above this high to take my next continuation trade. So I'll still look for the sell trade if we have a double top pattern right here. For now, expect some more push down until we see a bullish confirmation like engulfing candles. Next up, we have crude oil. Is now pushed down right here from the level of resistance that was also sent to my members, has nicely pushed down from here. Let me tell you something that I trade with Owanda. So Owanda has this data right here. Now, if you're someone who have a different numbers on crude oil, if you do not trade with crude oil like I do analysis on NEMIX for natural gas, I can start adding capital.com exactly like natural gas rather than doing Owanda. But for that, if you are mostly trading with this number right here, just do let me know in the comment section. If I have a good numbers of comments down here, then I will start adding capital.com as well, because then I will know that most of the people are looking for this number. But make sure you add a comment. Just add capital.com in the comment section, crude oil capital.com. That's all you need to do. If I see some good, really good numbers in a comment section, then I will definitely start to add this in my analysis rather than using the Owanda platform. Very important, if this candle, the next candle, turns out to be a bullish engulfing candle, that will be a valid pullback entry bullish. If that turns out to be bullish engulfer, in that case, the target will be only 180, which is less than $1. So keep an eye how this candle closes. If it won't close as a bullish engulfer, in that case, we can see some more push down and more retracement. Also, if there is no bullish engulfer here, we can still expect the price to form double top pattern. So if the price closes as a bullish engulfer, I would exit here, look for the possible double top, or if you want to manage, it's totally up to you. For now, let's see how this candle closes as a bullish engulfer or not. So that's it for commodities, guys. Hope you got a value. If yes, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, so that we can all trade together and trade officially. I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, take care.